Welcome back. Now again, let's continue the data types. Now let's see how can we define a variable. Go ahead and type the word bool. This is a keyword for Boolean variables. I will call it. Actually, when you're trying to name a bool variable, try to name it in this pattern that's more clear, like this: is working or has done it for task. Because it the answer to this keywords or variables here would be yes or no, is working, yes or no, has done it, yes or no. So that would be more clear when you're naming some things. And I will go ahead and no not bool is working equal false. I will change it to false. So as we have told you that Boolean variables can only be set to true or false, as you can see. If I wanted and assign something different like a number, actually number one would work. Number two, for example, it's not working. Number one also is not working. Zero is not working. This will work in some special cases, and we will discuss later. The one and zero because they are representing the true and false. And also the strings are not working. See, only if we've seen two errors, cannot implicitly convert type string to bool. So we will set it to false. Is working? No, not working. And I can come here and display it again, and I will only display is working. And go ahead and run this. See, false, very big false. If I wanted to change it, true. And again, this is how we use the variables of bool. One last thing here is that we have seen here all of these examples that we define variables and we set directly the values of it. What if I wanted to create a variable, for example, int? I will call it the summation. It would be summation of something that I don't know yet. And set it to 0. And I will come here actually and tell it int number 1, number 2, and I will come here, number 1 would be equal to 5, and number 2 will equal, for example, 8. Now let's go ahead and display the right line and enter here the sum. Can you figure out the summation now? The summation now is 0 because we've defined it, we've set it to 0 here, as you can see, it's 0. Can I come here and say the summation will be number 8? Yes, this can happen, and it will tell me that it's 8, you see? And I can do something even trickier and set it to number 2. So whatever is in number 2, and right now it's 8, it will be in the variable sum. Let's go ahead and run it. You see? 8. And if I ever wanted and change this, actually I will set it to 100. Give it a huge boost. And set it again, it's 100. Because now, whatever in variable 2, it will be in sum using this sign here is equal, that's telling it to put the right variable onto the left one. Okay? One last thing before we go. If you notice that as we were typing, we have two functions and we have been using the right only. Actually, there is a little difference between the right line and right. Right line takes a line when you display something. So after it displays anything, it takes a new line after it displays it. So as you can see here, each statement is on a separate line. So if, for example, I will go to hello Jon Snow of House Stark and I will only tell it to use the right without the right line. Now take a look. You see, hello Jon Snow of House Stark. It's attached the true from the next statement in here. See, here I'm printing. And again, if I wanted to come here and go ahead and do this. So I will be, you see, now they are all in one line. Hello, Jon Snow, House Stark drew 100. So I think right line is more better and organizing and in the final look of the displayed message. So that would be it, and see you in the next lecture.